The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 through 2023 GMC Yukon Denali with the factory flush side rail. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Evo base rack system. This is made up of the 60-inch long load bar. Black shown here, silver is also available. The Evo flush rail foot pack and vehicle specific fitting kit 186117. This has a 165-pound weight carrying capacity, evenly distributed, and crossbars can be mounted a max 58 inches center to center, basically anywhere along the length of that flush side rail. So this is a great fit not only for this model, but all of the similar GM vehicles. So if it's a Chevy, Tahoe, Suburban, GMC, Cadillac with this flush rail, it's a great fit. But this is just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. And that's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.